we did a postmortem of the just concluded general election with a view to planning for the 2024 governorship election. I have tried to reconcile the differences we have in the party. People who had disagreements. We're able to bring some of them together. Where we couldn't agree, we have set up committees to go and look at the issues and resolve them. We have also taken measures of how to bring in more people to join the party. And I want to say here very clearly that the door of the party is open to new members. Those who are dissatisfied with where they are, our doors are open, and I want to make it categorically clear here that I have not endorsed any candidate for next year's election. The Labour Party primaries for next year that will produce the governorship candidate is going to be competitive, is going to be open, is going to be transparent. Our quarrel over the years with PDP and APC is that they lack internal party democracy, which is responsible for production of leaders who lack the pedigree, the competence, the capacity to anchor the affairs of governance, which has landed us in the situation we are in the country today. And therefore, as an emerging political party who believe that we should change the political narrative in the country, we cannot be seen doing the same thing. We must learn from the mistakes of other political parties and be able to improve our operations. Several candidates are emerging in the party, and I want to make it categorically clear that I have not endorsed any candidate. Members of Labour Party, delegates of Labour Party will be the one, when the primaries come, to choose the person that will be the flag bearer of the party.